my channel. In this video we are going to making a Bluetooth speaker. So Bluetooth speakers are connected to different devices wirelessly via Bluetooth technology. Making your own Bluetooth speakers at home allows you to customize their quality. To build a Bluetooth speaker, we need these components such as the TG113 Bluetooth module and lithium-ion battery and soldering iron wire. Start by soldering iron wires to the Bluetooth module and battery. Carefully connect to the speaker's wires, Bluetooth module, ensuring proper polarity. Use a drill to create holes for the speakers and power control buttons and USB ports and SD card ports. Assemble to ensure by attaching their connections their designated locations. After assemble, power on the Bluetooth module, test its functionality, connecting it connecting it to a Bluetooth enabled devices. If any issues are arises, check its connections. Once your Bluetooth speaker is working properly, you can enjoy your favorite song